didn't see me there. And you want to know why? 'Cause I'm Ted Bear. Let me take you on a little trip. Outdoors in the nature. Now, as you can see,
Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Hurry, shut the door.
now, as you can see, the deadly gorilla pig squirrel is stalking its prey, just waiting for a time bomb to go off. Now, if you're not careful with these wildlife, they could kill you. There's one now. It's sneaking through the fence. Here's one right there, stalking its prey. Let's keep going and see if we can stalk any other animals of our nature. Doom ba-doom doom ba-doom doom 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 ba-doom doom ba-doom doom doom. Doom ba-doom doom ba-doom doom 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 ba-doom boom ba-doom boom boom. Doom ba-doom doom dun dun dun. Boom ba-doom doom 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 ba-doom boom. Doom boom boom ba-doom boom ba-doom doom doom doom. Chum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum 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 chum ba-dum bum chum chum. Chum ba-dum bum chum bum dum. Chum ba-dum bum chum bum bum. Now, as I search for more wildlife, you notice that I'm getting very agitated waiting for me to find an animal. So, I'm gonna see if there's an animal inside my house. Try and keep up. Choom boom boom. Alright. Now. There's one now. Now, as you can see, the black piggy gorilla cat is eating right now. Now, it's very delicate. Now, if you sneak up a little bit, you'll find that they're actually affectionate and that they'll meow at your presence. But if you go farther down, you'll see that you can find an even more dangerous species. Mom,
Alright, you need to drink a whole bunch of water.
where's the kitty that I've been looking for?
Blackie is, Alyssa is,
No kitty.
I don't know, lost it. It's been eaten by a crocodile, so you must go and look through the lake. Go put on your scuba suit. I have no idea where Kitty is. Where is Kitty? You know?
Probably downstairs. I'm gonna go look now. Doom boom doom boom doom 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 boom doom boom doom 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 boom 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 boom. Doom boom 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 boom. Chum boom boom doom boom boom boom. Now, I haven't found him quite yet, but I have a feeling that I will. But if I don't, I'm going to be very disappointed in what I've come up with. Now, where is that little bugger? I haven't found him yet, but I have a feeling he's in here. Nope. Let's keep looking. There's been quite a little bugger today. I don't know why I couldn't find him today. Doom 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 doom. Just keep looking. Now, he wasn't downstairs.
I don't know. Call him. Not in my room.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Not in my room.
He's not here either. He should be in here. He's probably outside sleeping. Try looking in here. Now, as you can see, I'm in the scariest habitat, most dangerous one you can be in. It's called my sister's room. Dun dun dun. Let's keep looking in here. Man, it's hot up here. No, it's not quite up here either. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking, mate. Boom, boom, boom. Right. I'm in the second most dangerous habitat of them all. I'm in my brother's room. Dun dun dun. My brother's room. Let's keep looking. So, he's not in here. Check under the bed, mate. Nope, not under the bed either. I don't know where he is. It's like outside again, mate. He could be in here. Or not. I don't know. He could be anywhere right now. Is he in here? Nope. Let's look in here. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Stop being such a bugger, mate. I'm trying to find you. Now, he's not here either. Let's see if we can find a killer bird outside. Should be plenty of those. I'll be lucky if they don't come snatch me up and eat me for the dinner. Let's go look. Dum bum 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 bum. Now, if you listen closely, you can hear the killer birds cry. I hear them now. Could be a little difficult to see them, but that's only because they're shy. There's a killer moth right there. Where are they? I can't find the killer bird. Must be somewhere. Where is he?
Michael, he's probably gone.
I'm looking for a killer bird now. He must be somewhere around here. Look around. See if we can see one of these killer birds. One right there. So we can keep on. Where could it be? There's nowhere to be seen, mate. Some of the hardest things to find. Some of the most easy things to see. Now, let's look at some dangerous plant species. The killer birds haven't come out. The killer bird species wildlife has not come out yet. But let's see if we can see some killer fruit in here. Now, you see and you think these are figs, but they're actually called Figatoris. See, if you rip them off, you'll see that if you rip a leaf off, you'll see that they have this milky juice coming out. Now, if you touch that milky juice, it will kill you, and you'll never be the same. See, I have some of that on my hand right now. I will die by the time this is over. Let's see if we can get one of the actual Figatorises themselves. Now this one was a bugger to find. This one right here has the most milky juice that I've ever seen in my life. See, it left even a white mark on the leaves. Let's see what will happen if I eat it.
My vacation is cleaning my house.
Ripe. I mean, not ripe enough. Now, as you can also see, there's a lot of that milky white juice leaking out of here. See, this is a large tree. And there could be some ripe ones right around here that you can eat straight off the branches. Where are they? Where is it? Now, Figatoris is so hard to see. It's so hard to find. I'm lucky that it was right here in my laboratory area. There's a killer bird now! No! This killer bird just rode past us.
Have you found the killer bird?
No! Can't seem to find any of the wildlife I'm trying to find here. Try and keep up. I want to see if I can find a killer bird out here. Dun 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 dun. Da 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 da. There should be some killer ducks out around here. But also, just my luck, none of them are here. So, this one's kind of a bugger. I got the killer gorilla squirrels. I got the gorilla pig kitty cat. I just have yet, and I have the Figatoris. Just need to find a killer bird. I even had the man-eating moth somewhere around here. So you can hear many of the killer birds' cries, but they're impossible to find. Let's look in here. There should be some man-eating ants around here. Ah, just my luck. Right around here are the man-eating ants waiting for their dinner. Now, as you can see, they're running around like crazy. And they're coming towards me right now. See, I'm actually going to put my hand down and let one of them bite me, just for views. Look. Oh, crap. Ah! There's one on my arm right now. See it? It's not hurting me. Because I'm not doing anything to hurt it. You know that thing went now. It's probably dropped off. Just hoping it doesn't crawl inside me. That's what she said. Now, still no luck finding the killer birds or the killer cat. Still, oh, there's a killer bird right now. Look, there's some right passing here right now. There's a killer bird duck swimming past me right now. As you can see, they travel in groups. They will eat you and they will kill you if you get close to them. But leave this to me, the professionals, to get close-up images of these killer bird species. There should be some killer bird species. There should be some... Those are killer bird ducks. Now, the things you hear chumping, those are killer birds. Like that one right here. Running across there. Sweet. I got all of the killer bird species. I just have yet to find the killer kitty cat. And I will film that one in my next adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me observing these dangerous versions of wildlife. I'll see you guys next time along the next adventure. Goodbye.